Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to trade after hours on Webull application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download Webull application if you don't have it on your phone. Of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like actually to go and sign up to create your account, of course, if it's your first time using the application. It's not your first time, or if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's just get straight into this tutorial. So for me here, I'm just going to open my Webull application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps as I said, and that will actually be your home or your main screen. So how to actually trade after hours? So the question remains, can I trade during the extended hours on Webull? So let me tell you that yes, you can trade during extended hours by placing limit orders and selecting include after hours. Pre-market hours are 4 a.m. It starts from 4 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. EST, and after hours trading is 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. AST. So please make sure you can check yes for extended hours, which is going to be EXT hours. That means actually extended hours trading. So if you go here to the market and choose like maybe the share or whatever you want to extend hour on it, you'll find an option called place limited order and select include after orders, as I said. Then check yes for extended hours and you will be actually good to start the trade after hours. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.